Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn similarity and proportional reasoning together, step by step. Similar figures have the same shape, but not always the same size. Think of a photo and its enlargement. Their matching angles are equal, and their matching sides are all in the same ratio, called the scale factor. We use a wavy tilde instead of equals. So similar is the scaled cousin of congruent. To prove triangles similar, you only need two pairs of equal angles. That's the angle-angle shortcut. Since all three angles add to 180, two matching angles force the third. Once they're similar, corresponding sides form equal ratios. Write them in order so the matching sides line up, and you can solve for anything missing. Triangles ABC and DEF are similar. Side AB is 6 and matches DE, which is 9. Side BC is 8 and matches EF, our unknown x. Set up the proportion. 6 over 9 equals 8 over x. Cross multiply to get 6x equals 72. Divide by 6, and x is 12 units. Here's a real-world use. A 4-meter pole casts a 6-meter shadow. At the same time, a tree casts a 15-meter shadow. The sun makes similar triangles, so heights and shadows share a ratio. 4 over 6 equals h over 15. Cross multiply. 6h equals 60, so h equals 10 meters. That's how you measure a tree without climbing it. To wrap up, similar triangles share equal angles and proportional sides. The angle-angle rule is the fastest way to prove similarity. Then carefully match corresponding sides in order, build a proportion, and cross-multiply to find the unknown. This reasoning shows up everywhere, from maps and models to measuring heights with shadows. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.